I am 33 years old and still figuring life out. But I am not the same person I was years ago. I have grown, I have learned, I have become stronger in ways people cannot always see. The journey is teaching me patience, is teaching me resilience, is teaching me that setback does not mean failure. They are part of becoming wiser. Now, instead of asking, why am I not there yet? I ask, what is this stage teaching me? That shift has changed everything. Honestly, I know better now. Life is not only big achievements, it's also daily experiences that shape us. If we rush too much, we miss them. I want to remember my life, not just chase it. Rushing only made me anxious. Slowing down is helping me understand myself better. I am not chasing noise anymore. I am choosing peace, clarity, and steady growth. I have started keeping my styles simple and comfortable, and honestly, it has changed how I feel every day. Before, I used to think I had to dress up all the time to look good or to feel comfortable. I feel pressured to follow trend or wear things that look impressive even if they did not always feel like me. But lately, I am choosing clothes that let me breathe, move easily, and just be myself. Soft fabrics, simple outfits that feel natural. I have realized that when I am comfortable, I am more relaxed, more present, and more confident in a quiet way. I am not distracted by adjusting my clothes or worrying how I look every minute. Keeping my style simple does not mean I don't care. It actually means I understand myself better. I know what suits my life right now. I enjoy pieces that are easily to wear, that reflect my culture, and that fit into my calm lifestyle. Dressing this way feels honest, it feels peaceful. I am learning that style does not have to be loud to be beautiful. It can be gentle, it can be soft, it can be simple, support the life you are living. For me, fashion is becoming less about showing and more about feeling. Feeling comfortable in my own skin, feeling comfortable without pressure, and feeling free to move around. At this point in my life, I just want things that feels right, not forced, and that includes how I dress. Simple and comfortable, but still me. And that balance is something I am really starting to love. There is something special about picnic days, especially in a quiet place like this. The air feels lighter, the noise of the world fades, and everything slows down in the beautiful way. Sitting on the grass, feeling the earth beneath you, reminds you that life does not always have to be complicated. The trees move gently with the wind, the birds go about their day, and the sky stretching wide above. Nature does not rush, yet everything grows on its own time. Being here makes me feel small in a peaceful way, like my worries does not have to be so loud. A picnic is such a simple thing, just being outside, breathing fresh air, maybe sharing food or sitting quietly with your thoughts. But it brings a kind of enjoyment that is different from busy place or loud environment. It's calm, it's soft, it's real. The weather, the grass, the natural sounds, they create a comfort you cannot buy. Moments like this help me relax my mind. I feel more present, more grateful, more aware of the beauty in ordinary things. In this kind of quiet environment, I feel balanced, my thoughts settle, my heart feels lighter. It reminds me that happiness can be gentle, it does not have to shout. Sometimes it's just a peaceful day outside, surrounded by nature, allowing yourself to simply exist. So I know some people will be wondering, what am I leaking? See, honestly speaking, I every year I look forward for the season of this ncheku. That is what we locally call it. Now, for those of you who don't know what ncheku is, or you're not seeing it very well, guys, this is it. Now, I don't know what family this fruit belongs to. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to call it fruits. Yeah, I think that is the right word. It's not under vegetable, it's under fruit. I don't know if it's under the cherry family or under the berry family. So, if you know, please let me know in the comment section. And what is the name? What do you guys call it locally? Honestly speaking, I don't know the English name. I really don't know the English name. All what I know is the one name we call it traditionally or locally here in Nigeria. South Nigeria, we call it ncheku. Look at the way I am religiously licking this ncheku. I always look forward to it because, I just take my time and pick it one after the other and be throwing it in my mouth. It's so sweet when you water it first and leave it for like about 2 to 3 minutes before you start licking it. Inside will be soft and sweet, like it will be so soft. So what do you guys call it in your local language, or what is it? Also, what is the English name? Let me know. And does it belongs to the cherry family or the berry family? Also, let me know in the comment section, guys. Look at me sitting comfortably. weather have changed. The cloud is dark and it's about to rain. And it's already up. It's already 6 in the evening. So why not? It's time to go home. We are living, as you all can see. I really had a blessed day. Yeah, you know, River State here is dry season, but River State does not observe dry season. River State don't care. Like the weather here, it can rain anytime. Even if it's dry season or rainy season, it can just see the next minute is sun, in the other minute to start raining without no notification. But thank God, this time around it actually notified us that it wants to rain. So everybody be on your toes or be on your heel. I don't know whichever one.